What up, y'all? I'm about to do a quick mohawk, bald on the sides with the V in the back. I'm gonna use a 1.5 open to debulk first. I start all my cuts with a 1.5 open to debulk first. Next step is I'm gonna open my guard. I'm gonna open my clippers to have a half, and I'm gonna set my first guideline. Next, I'm gonna make my my Sub-Zero guideline with the trimmers right under the half. Also, usually on mohawks, typically you go kind of high on the sides, but for him, just to keep like the bulk on top and the flow of his hair, I keep this kind of low. Because otherwise, if he wasn't getting the V in the back, I'd usually do a low fade. Then I'm gonna bald out. Then I'm gonna get my half guard open and take this line off right here. I'm closing it a little bit to get that other line out and messing with the lever to keep the line in or out. Then I'm gonna close my guard, close my clippers, and take off this last line right here in between the Sub-Zero and the half. Then I'm gonna slightly open them halfway, and then open them all the way and get that last part out. I'm getting the 1.5, opening it again and going a little harder on the sides. Closing it to get this line out right under it. Super easy way to get this bulk out without freehanding, without a guard with clipper over comb, is you keep the guard on. So the last number I hit right here was a 2 with the guard open. You can just go right over it, and you're gonna blend it with the guard still on and go all the way against. And it'll take the bulk off without you having a free hand. So the last guard that I have yet to use is the 1. So you can see a line right here. I'm gonna start with the 1 open, then I'm gonna gradually close it and go down. So now, fade's pretty good. I'm just gonna detail small spots I see, opening and closing the lever. Alright, so when we make this V right here, you can kind of see how it's a little light right here. It's kind of going right here, and on this side, it's light right here. So most people's hairline does have like light spots in the back, and it's uneven. So what I'm going to do is this is right in the middle. Since this has the least amount of hair right here, I'm going to just, boom, put it right there. Go straight across. And then right here, same thing. So right here on the V, I'm gonna blend this in. Open the half guard. Just because you don't want the hard V going all the way up to the side, more just like in the back. This is the half guard, I'm gonna open it. gonna put 2 lines on the side of the, right here. So when I do my lines, if anybody asks for multiple lines, this is just a rule of thumb ever, unless they specify that they want them the same length. I always make 1 long and 1 a little bit shorter. I just think it looks better than 2 like straight lines. Also, 9 times out of 10, I make the end of the line thicker and make it skinnier going outwards, kind of like little ice pick lines. So for his edge up, just put this back. He has those. So yes, you're taking off the widow's peak and you're taking off a little bit right here, but just to get the effect of a clean edge. Start from the middle, go to each side individually. So usually whenever you're doing he has very coarse hair, so if I'm doing these lines on the back of his hair where it's really coarse, you can put obviously any shave gel you want or anything, but I usually start with this side of the razor, the inside part. Usually not right here. As far as starting, I just feel like I have more control since my thumb's closest to it. If I'm like this, you may go too far down. So I'll use the inside of the blade. Also, I'm gonna clean up all the neck with the razor, all around the ear. Pull down the cape. I know a lot of people wait till the end of the haircut, take the cape off, and then shave. I usually try to get it all when I have the razor in my hand. Also, a huge part, everybody misses this. We got all this, we balded all this, there's still this right here. 90% of barbers leave that spot right there. I'm always gonna clean up right there all around the ears. It's the small things that matter. Then on the edge up, I'm gonna go like this to make the line sharp this way, but I wanna go against the grain of this hair, and if you see it's going this way, so I'm gonna pull back the head and go against the grain to get those hairs. And then even right here on his widow peak, most barbers are gonna go up, which I definitely am gonna go up. You can go up, but his hair goes this way, so you wanna go against the grain. Make sure you're getting as close as possible. Boom. Also right here, he doesn't have super defined dark corners, but I'm still gonna slightly line up. Whenever the corners are super light like that and they don't have a lot of, they're not super dark, I don't line them up with the trimmer first. I just line them up with the razor because it's already so short, and it gives that, helps you not to like push back and doing too much. Just detail this right here. So here we go, we did the edge, the side, the 2 lines, and the V in the back. So what we did to this side, we're gonna go ahead and just do to the other side. Biggest part to finish all your clients is going to be to style their hair. He has a good flow already. Check it out. I'm feeling it. Let's go. But I'm going to add some texturizing powder. That's one of the things he likes to use on his hair. And he has the good flow going back. These hairs are sticking out. I'm just going to get like a matte finish type of product. and put those hairs back. Homie gonna be walking with a limp. Alright y'all, so I just showed y'all a quick burst fade mohawk with the V in the back. I threw in a couple of lines. I styled it on the top. If you want to see some more tutorials, let me know. Y'all know this is my first tutorial on YouTube or ever, so let me know if you want more tutorials. I'm gonna be coming out with new content all the time. Drop what kind of content y'all want to see. Subscribe. I'll see y'all later.